Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through steps of how to verify your Exness residential address. So we are officially going to check out these steps from the GitHub. Alright, so it's the same steps with the Exness Help Center. So you choose what to do. Step number one here, log into your Exness personal area account. After that, navigate to the verification section. After that, prepare your documents. For the documents, guys, it could be like payment bill. So for example, you paid electricity, that bill that you used to pay, a bank statement from your nearest bank account. So for example, you're in Palestine, any bank there, okay. Then step number 4, upload that document. Step number 5, submit and wait for review. After that, you wait for a confirmation from Exness to approve your address. And that is how simple it is. Thanks for watching. We shall meet.